Couples therapy is a form of psychotherapy that can help you and your partner improve your relationship. Any treatment in which two people with an emotionally committed and intimate relationship receive treatment services from a competent clinician is referred to as a couples therapy treatment plan. It is anticipated that couples counseling will promote relationship stability and satisfaction. Clarification of individual responsibilities and requirements, greater problem solving and communication, and improved conflict resolution are all common objectives. You would typically use a treatment plan for couples therapy when there are communication problems in a relationship, infidelity, where the couples have to rebuild their trust, conflicting values and beliefs, power struggles, sexual difficulties, parenting conflicts, and emotional distance. Couples therapy has become increasingly popular with a growing recognition of the importance of healthy relationships to overall mental and emotional well-being. People who typically use couples therapy treatment plans are licensed marriage and family therapists, licensed clinical social workers, psychologists, psychiatrists, and relationship coaches. To use our couples therapy treatment plan, follow these steps. Download our free PDF off our Carepatron platform and fill out the patient's detail at the top. Next, conduct an interview. If needed, gather their stories separately and join them together as well. The treatment plan will depend on the needs of the couple. Specify the needed procedures in each section to be more organized. The sections in our treatment plan are treatment goals, treatment plans, progress monitoring, and next steps. Set timelines and frequencies. If a prescription is necessary, specify it as well. Here is a sample couples therapy treatment plan to show you how the form would be filled out. You can also find it on our Carepatron platform. To find our couples therapy treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.